Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best roasting rack is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any kitchen, transforming ordinary ovens into gourmet cooking stations and allowing for healthier, more flavorful meals. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, a high-quality roasting rack can elevate your culinary creations, ensuring even cooking, perfect crisping, and easy cleanup. This review will guide you through selecting the ideal roasting rack that fits your needs and budget, helping you achieve professional-level results with minimal effort. Number 5. Ultra Cuisine Stainless Steel Cooling Rack Set. Experience superior durability with our heavy-duty stainless steel cooling racks. Designed for professional-grade performance, they ensure even cooking and cooling every time. Cleanup is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe racks. Made from 100% stainless steel, they resist rust and flaking, offering long-lasting quality and peace of mind. Unlock versatile cooking possibilities. These racks are oven-safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for roasting, baking, grilling, smoking, and drying your favorite dishes. Designed to perfectly complement your standard half-sheet pans, these racks provide an ideal surface for all your baking needs. Enjoy enhanced airflow for consistent results. Proudly designed in the USA, each set includes a complimentary recipe ebook packed with over 100 delicious ideas. Elevate your culinary creations with these essential baking tools. What we like. This set offers superior durability with its heavy-duty 304 stainless steel construction and a tight wire grid for excellent airflow. It's oven-safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for all your roasting and baking needs. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting rack set that ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a sturdy and well-made roasting rack. The rack is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It fits perfectly in my standard oven and holds a large turkey. Number 4. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Cooling Rack Set of 2. Introducing our premium cooling racks, crafted from 100% solid 304 stainless steel. Unlike coated racks, these won't chip or scratch, ensuring no harmful toxins transfer to your food. They are built to last, resisting rust and warping. Bake with confidence. These racks are oven-safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. They are designed to fit perfectly in half-sheet pans, making them ideal for all your baking and roasting projects. Experience optimal air circulation for superior cooling and baking. The perfectly spaced grid allows food to cook evenly, while the raised feet ensure proper airflow. Cleaning is a breeze, and they are dishwasher safe. Simplify your meal preparation for a healthier lifestyle. Use them for crispy chicken, roasting vegetables, cooling bread, or decorating desserts. Their versatility makes them an indispensable kitchen tool. Enjoy supreme durability with these heavy-gauge steel racks. Engineered for rust and warp resistance, they are built to withstand frequent use. You'll wonder how you ever managed without them. These versatile racks are perfect for a multitude of tasks. Whether you're broiling, baking, roasting, decorating, or cooling, this set of 2 delivers exceptional performance every time. What we like. Constructed from 100% solid 304 stainless steel, this set guarantees no chipping or scratching and is resistant to rust and warping. It provides optimal air circulation for healthier meal preparation and is oven-safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prioritize food safety and durability while aiming for a healthier lifestyle, these racks are an excellent choice. What people say. This roasting rack is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. The rack is designed to elevate food, allowing for even cooking and better air circulation. It fits perfectly in my standard oven and holds a good amount of food. Number 3. HIC Kitchen Roasting Adjustable Baking Rack. Achieve perfectly roasted meats, poultry, and vegetables with this essential kitchen tool. It elevates your food, allowing for even cooking and crispier results. Enjoy healthier meals by reducing fat during the cooking process. This rack helps separate your food from drippings, making your meals lighter and more delicious. Crafted from heavyweight, chrome-plated steel, this rack is built for strength and durability. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ready for all your cooking needs. With 7 adjustable positions, you can customize its height to fit various sizes of roasts, poultry, or fish. This ensures optimal air circulation for beautiful browning. Beyond roasting, this versatile tool is perfect for baking casseroles, reheating leftovers, or even cooling your baked goods. It's a true multitasker in the kitchen. To keep it in top condition, simply hand wash with warm, soapy water and dry thoroughly. Avoid abrasive cleaners to maintain its quality for years to come. What we like. This rack features an innovative adjustable design with 7 different height positions, allowing you to customize it for various sizes of roasts and poultry. Made from durable, chrome-plated steel and oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures even roasting and crispier skin. If you frequently cook different types of meats and desire precise control over air circulation and browning, this adjustable rack is perfect for you. What people say. The rack is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. It fits perfectly in my standard oven and allows for even cooking. The design is simple yet effective, providing good air circulation for crispy results. Number 2. 2-piece stainless steel roasting rack set. Introducing our 2-piece roasting rack set, perfect for all your cooking needs. This set includes both round and oval racks, designed for convenience. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade 304 stainless steel, these racks are built to last. They are non-toxic, odorless, and resistant to high temperatures, ensuring safe and reliable use. The round rack measures 6 inches in diameter, while the oval rack is 9.8 by 6.7 inches. They fit perfectly in most ovens and pans, making them ideal for any kitchen. Featuring a symmetrical rod design, these racks ensure even heat distribution for perfectly cooked food every time. Roast meats, vegetables, or bake your favorite desserts with ease. Cleanup is a breeze with these racks. They are dishwasher safe, resisting corrosion and rust, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Use them for steaming, roasting, cooling, baking, drying, or grilling. These versatile racks are designed for both indoor and outdoor cooking, bringing ultimate convenience to your kitchen. What we like. This set includes 2 versatile racks in round and oval shapes, both made from durable, high-temperature resistant 304 stainless steel. They are perfect for steaming, roasting, baking, and cooling in various appliances like ovens, air fryers, and pressure cookers. If you need compact, multifunctional racks for diverse cooking methods and appliances, these are a convenient and reliable option. What people say. It is a good size for a small oven. It is easy to clean. It is sturdy and well made. Number 1. Stainless steel V-rack for roasting turkey. This roasting rack is an essential cooking tool, designed to fit most ovens and Kamado grills. Its generous size makes it perfect for a variety of cooking needs. Crafted from heavyweight stainless steel, this rack is built to last. It resists rust and corrosion, and its non-stick finish ensures your food won't stick. The V-shaped design cradles your food for even cooking and browning. Integrated handles make it simple to move your roast in and out of the pan. Featuring easy grip handles, this rack allows for secure transport of even large roasts. It's also designed to function as a rib rack when flipped. Cleanup is a breeze with this rack. It's designed for easy cleaning and is completely dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. We stand by our product with a 180-day quality guarantee. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a replacement or refund. What we like. Designed with a unique V-shape, this rack cradles poultry for even cooking and elevates it above drippings, while the integrated handles make transfer easy. It's made from heavyweight stainless wire that resists rust and sticking, and it even doubles as a rib rack. If you often roast large birds like turkeys and need a sturdy rack with convenient handles and added versatility, this is an ideal choice for smoking and grilling. What people say. This roasting rack is made of stainless steel and is very sturdy. The rack is a good size for a standard roasting pan and fits well. It elevates the food nicely, allowing for even cooking and crispier results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.